Right, so basically for this event, it's really special. Especially we welcome our guest chef, Chef Yono from the States, actually from New York. And he taught us so many different kind of way of Indonesian cuisine.
Yes, my name is Chef Yono Purnomo. I'm born in Indonesia, and I have pleased to join you again in this beautiful campus. Now, today we're going to take you to the 4 different cuisine. One is nasi goreng. Nasi goreng is nasi means rice. Goreng is stir fry. Now, second of all, we're going to use is opor bebek. We produce so much duck. Okay, the duck we use here normally we use a medium rare.
This is my first live demonstration that I'm attending right now, and as exciting it is, I'm also very nervous to work in front of the chef because he is like, okay, so great. And now that I can see him working, I just cannot stop looking at him, the way he's plating, the way he's making food in front of us. It's unreal.
The sauce is very unique. We're going to produce this kind of sauce.
And then I think it's an enjoyable session with him. Also, he shared a lot of experience behind what he did before, and also the way he cook. And I think this event is really useful for us, especially for college students.